All right, hey everyone. My name is Zachary, Comeau, executive editor of CE Pro. Today I'm joined by Joel Cruz, the director of marketing at BZB Gear. Joel, thanks for stopping in.
Thank you for having us, Zach. I know I usually speak with one of your other colleagues for these interviews, but it should be a fun one with you.
Well, hey, it's always fun with me, brother. Happy to have you. So for those who aren't familiar with you guys, which might be a few folks that run in the CEDIA circle, can you explain what BZB Gear provides?
Yeah, so BZB Gear. Well, just right off the bat, we are going through a recent company rebrand. So maybe like if people are watching this, they know us from like the past or commercial integrator content. They might say, hey, they sound familiar, but they look a little different. So no, we are BZB Gear. We are a global manufacturer of Pro AV and broadcasting gear. We provide solutions for virtually any application, any size project. So, everything from full HD to 4K, 8K, Ultra HD. We're proud to say that we are able to now provide end-to-end solutions, for your entire project. Meaning the beauty of that is you just need one tech support to deal with, right? So you don't have to go to many different ones, avoid that headache. And what the beauty of our gear now is it's open ecosystem friendly. Well, it's always been like that. So that just means that compatible with all other brands, equipment. So so one tech support and you could have your whole end-to-end line under BZB Gear. I mean, we'd love that you'd have your whole entire setup with BZB Gear, but since we are open ecosystem friendly, we play nice with others. And so it's very beautiful. Everybody, it's peace loving. Everybody get together well.
Great. So I have seen you guys. I don't think I've ever visited you guys at InfoComm before, but I have seen the booth at InfoComm. This is for CEDIA. Can you talk about why you guys decided to exhibit at CEDIA, which is primarily a residential focused show, and maybe a little bit about why you're looking at the residential market?
Yeah, no, you just you hit it on the head right there. Is because CEDIA does put that emphasis on the residential market, right? When we when we first came to started thinking about exhibiting here, we noticed many of the keywords you guys use is residential. So man, we you should have seen it back at the office. We're like, hey, is that a real word? Hey guys, check the dictionary.
So it's one of my least favorite words I have to write, but I'm forced to write it. I hate it. It makes sense, but I don't. It's an ugly word.
It's a cool hybrid word. I was like, am I pronouncing it correctly? I have to go to YouTube. How do you pronounce? No, but residential sounds very slides right off the tongue. No, we've done many of the the commercial Pro AV broadcasting shows, Infocom, NAB, ISE. So, but we felt that we were missing the opportunity for that residential, market. And like I said, I mean, other shows, they do a good job. They integrate commercial and residential, but with CEDIA Expo slash commercial integrator expo, that emphasis is on the residential market. And we feel, I mean, home theaters, audio, smart home integration, everything's on the rise. So, we definitely need to join the party there, and felt that we just need to get our presence there and see just mingle with everyone.
Awesome. So let's talk about what you guys are going to be showing off at the booth at CEDIA. What resi focused products will you be highlighting?
Well, first off, we are a proud member of the 8K Association. The AKA, so they're an organization set up to educate on the beauty benefits of 8K, the 8K movement. And so we have our main booth at booth C301, but we'll also have a presence at 8K Association booth 4501. So make sure you guys drop by. We'll have a presence all over the floor at both ends of the floor. So definitely say hi there. But we Yeah, 8K. It's like 8K, 8K, 8K. That is the name of the game right now. Our tagline going into this year was beyond 4K into 8K. So
Mm.
we've upped our catalog. We have everything from award-winning testers to matrix switchers, splitters to cables. So definitely one of the things that we are very, very excited to show off to the CEDIA crowd is the first ever 8K 16 by 16 matrix switcher. It's the BG
Mm.
8K 1616 MA. So yeah, first to market. Super stoked that it was awarded at Infocom 2025 back in May, June. So yeah, hit the ground running, and we're trying to get the continue that momentum. So we're very excited to show that off to the audience. I mean, we'll have all our other toys to bring to the party. Our full HD, our Adamo fan favorite PTZ AI tracking camera. We'll also have our Swiss Army knife. We call it the Swiss Army knife of AV distribution. It's our 4K VP and VP Pro series. It's a series of matrix switchers that support video wall, multi-view, and then with the latter, the VP Pro, it supports signal extension as well. So yeah, so many great products to showcase there. And our booth is actually, it's a pretty big one. Usually we do like a 20 by 20, 20 by 30. I think this is a 20 by 30, might be a 20 by 40 as well. I can't know the exact dimensions, but I know it's one of our larger booths that we will have. So yeah, make sure you guys come and join us at CEDIA.
Excellent. Yeah, yeah. Sounds like a very expansive lineup you guys will have there in Denver. Yeah. What do you guys hope integrators remember most about visiting your booth and maybe checking you guys out for the first time?
Just that we got a super cool looking new logo. and, but other than that, just just that people, integrators, that when they came by, that they just enjoyed their time meeting us basically, and that they learned something. I mean, there are many great companies and products in our industry, but we feel like client relationship is key. Being able to work together, collaborate on projects. I mean, we work very close with integrators and our clients. Like if they have a suggestion on firmware upgrades or a specific lens type, software, chips, whatever. We work closely with them, and we will, work with them to kind of alter and customize to their liking. So we just want them to come out knowing that we're easy to work with, and that we're on their side, and it's all the team, right? So when they succeed, we succeed.
Excellent. Very good. Well, Joel, I look forward to stopping by in Denver in a week.
Mhm.
Thanks very much. I appreciate
Yes,
it.
thank you, Zach.